Good morning. We're on our way to
Blackfoot Pathways in Lincoln, Montana.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want.
Hi. Well, we made it to the Blackfoot Pathways. We have the whole place to ourselves. There's no cars here, and it's a beautiful day. It's in the low 70s, so we're gonna go walk around and show you all the sculptures. This is a really cool place. They invite artists from all over the world to come in and build sculptures that are made of natural materials or that reflect the history of the area.
Smells like piney woods out here.
Oh, I know. I got out of the car. It was like, I love that smell. So the park is free. They've got picnic areas and restrooms, and they do take donations. So if you want to help support them, you can just drop a little donation in there. They've got maps with the area and then an explanation of each of the sculptures and a little information about the artist. So I have a concert series. So in the summertime, if you're here, check and see what the schedule is. You might be able to take in a free concert. You're allowed to bring dogs here. They just need to be on a leash, and it's a great place if you've got kids. So this sculpture park started in 2014 as an international sculpture symposium. So this is one of the sawmill teepee burners that has been preserved. And this, it's 75 feet high and 48 feet in diameter. Burners were used in the sawmill industry. So this is the Gateway of Change. This was, I think it was an artist from Denmark did this one. And this is cool. You can climb up here to get like a different perspective from higher up. You can get a different perspective of the park. So this is two trees growing from the same root. So the artist wanted to reunite them at the top.
Real cool.
And this one is called the picture frame. This artist was from Finland. It's all chartwood. can sit and have a conversation with nature here. I love this one, dancing trees. So you actually walk down in there. This is the east-west passage. So this is cool because you're seeing the landscape from a totally different viewpoint. So this is called Hill and Valley. This is so cool. This was built over a 3-week period of time by volunteers. And it's composed of 28 lodge poles, 400 pounds of nails, and 30,000 pounds of newspaper. It's the largest paperwork of its kind that's ever been built. It is so cool. And if you look really closely, you can see still the print on the newspapers. This is called the Tree Circus. There are 10 different chambers and 5 open to the sky, and 5 consolidated as towers that mimic the shape of the trees of the surrounding Ponderosa pines. I just think this is so cool. I would have loved to have this in the yard as a child.
Well, this was quite an adventure.
It was cool. I've never been to anything like this anywhere else. I thought it was very interesting the way they incorporated nature into every sculpture, or the history of the Blackfoot Valley.
Yeah, it was really neat. Just to walk around and and check all the sculptures out, and they're all made out of wood, whether it be paper or hardwood or, yeah, it was pretty cool.
Which one was your favorite?
I think I like the one with the newspaper.
Yeah, that was the Helen Valley. I thought that was amazing.
And the bridge was really neat, too.
The bridge is cool. I also really like Tree Circus because I love to walk around in there. I feel like a hobbit or something.
Yeah, she's a hobbit. Well, anyway, we hope you enjoyed the walk, and it was pretty cool. And
yeah, it's very nice. There's picnic tables and places to sit all around. And like I said earlier, there's restrooms. So it's a very nice facility.
So anyway, we hope you enjoyed the walk. And we are Herons on the Fly.